Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can register for GPay in United Kingdom. In order to register for GPay in UK, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, go and open up a browser, and on the web address bar, type in a link that is www.nhsgp.online.uk. That's gonna take you to the official page, which is gonna look something like this. So here to register with, you could go and read all of these information first thing, or else you could just go and press on click here to register. Once you do that, you'll need to go and click on start my registration one more time, and you need to enter the postcode. So first of all, you need to enter your address postcode and click the next button. When you're done entering the code, then you could just go ahead and move on to the next procedure where you have to start with the registration process. As per the registration, you just have to go ahead and enter your contact details, personal details, your government issued ID, and all of that. Make sure to verify your identity as well, and you'll have successfully registered with GPay in UK. So that's how you can register with GPay in UK. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.